just know this truth with me. There's but one God, one mind, and one power. And here today, I am opening up. Here today, I am receptive to every wonderful idea for Spirit has for me to move out into my world with courageous compassion, to be the person God has called me to be, to live in love and joy and health, and make a joyful noise unto the Lord, supporting and encouraging those around me, encouraging people to know that even if we've come through a difficult time, Spirit is still with us, supporting us, urging us, and reminding us that the breaking dawn of a new day is ours to know, to proclaim, and to move out on. This is my truth. I celebrate this right knowing, and I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and perfect, bold and dynamic work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is. All right, my friends, let me leave you with this final thought. Your life isn't a problem to be solved. It's a miracle unfolding. Your job this week is to go name your miracle, to proclaim your miracle, and to make it your own. God bless us all. Now, let us go be the miracle God has called us to be. This is Reverend Ken. Until we see each other again, many blessings.